What is it? You want to open it? Oh, it's all for you. What is this? Your truck. Oh, this says 2. Look at you. Oh, it's another book. Mommy don't know how to read to you. Daddy's gonna have to do it. Here, Daddy, read me the book. Look at those. Isn't that pretty?
And a rabbit.
And it's a rabbit, yes.
This is funny.
Oh, look at that beautiful book. Look at all those pretty colors. Look at all of those pretty colors. Isn't that pretty? Show Daddy. Show Daddy. See, Daddy is pretty. Tell Daddy it's pretty. Gonna show Daddy?
So that.
What is this? That's a card for you.
Card.
It's to tell you happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's from your Aunt Hilda and your Uncle Andre and your cousin Carr and Ragnar, yeah?
Yeah.
And it says happy 2.
Happy too.
You're 2 now. Something else fell down on the ground. Let's see what else they sent you. Look. Look.
Up.
Up. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's stuff for you to color. You can color with them. And they're washable. Wait a minute.
Yeah?
That's super washable. For the clothes. That's alright.
A color plastic.
Yeah.
A color plastic.
Yeah, you color.
You color.
Where are you going?
A color.
A color?
Yeah. A color.
A color?
A color. That's one of mommy.
Here.
A color.
You want to get in your seat and color where you always color?
Oh.
You want to sit here and color?
Oh, wait.
All white. Hold on. I'll let Mommy help you up.
Mine.
There you go. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
How do you say thank you?
Aita.
Say Aita. Tea. Say Aita.
Aga.
Say Aita.
Aga.
Aita. Aita. Can you say Aita? Aita.
A color that one.
Yeah, you colored that one. It's pretty. Here we go. Here, let's put that one back. Okay. That's long enough for me to put on the thing.